friends, Dave Crosby here, co-founder of Wyze. Today we are going to open the Wyze window cam. We're going to show you everything inside this brand new camera from Wyze. It's a little bit different from our traditional camera, but it has a lot of the exact same features that you know and love. So let's just get right into it. Ready for this? Open the box. It's kind of a cute little box there. Get rid of the knife, make this family friendly. Okay, let's just start with the camera itself. So there's the camera. Looks very much like a regular Wyze cam would. Let's take it out of the plastic so you can get a nice close-up of how this thing looks. All right, there we go. And then it's gonna have this little protective lens that we are going to remove in 3, 2, nope. There it is, 1. All right, now the camera can see. The first thing you're gonna notice about this camera is it's a little bit different the way it looks on the front. Punch in right there and see if you can notice the difference in the black. It's a little bit different texture, a little bit different material. And what is that material? It is what we like to call, nope, can't say that. Bleep that. Bleep that. If I say that again, bleep every time I say that word. That is, our lawyers have told us we cannot say the word. You might wanna blur my lips too. Can't say it, it's legally protected, we'll get sued. Supposedly that's a legally protected term. I thought that was like the word. Anyway, nylon sticky straps on the front of this. Zoom in and get those. What is it called? Nylon fastener, actually. We're gonna show you why that's important in just a moment. Okay, the rest of the Wyze cam looks pretty similar from the other Wyze cams. It's got some Wyze cam OG vibes. It's got a little stacking on top if you wanna stack this with another camera like a zoom cam. Stick the cam on, dang it, I said the word again. Stick the fastener on the window and then stick a zoom OG, a 3X on top of it so you can punch in to see those mailboxes and different stuff. So this is the, how many times am I gonna say that? Let's count. It's how many times I say a legal protected word in this video. We should have a counter up here. Okay, so that's the camera. Set that aside for a second while we pull out the next most important thing, the nylon fastener part. You got 2 of them, 2 different spots. If you wanna mix and match around your house. 1, 2, of course we have the little power block. You got the cord, not just any cord though. This thing is 10 feet long. Wow, just keeps going, keeps going. Can't stop, won't stop. Check that out. Is that the longest cord in a Wyze box? I think it might be. And that's because if you're gonna put this on the window, you're gonna put it, kind of wrap the cord around and make it look really nice with the fasteners. Speaking of the fasteners, we give you a few right in the box. So let's open these guys so you can get an idea what they look like. Oh, oops. All right, can you see this little fastener? We actually give you 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are pretty small, I don't know if you're gonna see that. All right, that's your typical kind of cord fastener thing. You can just stick the cord in there to make your setup look very nice, very neat, very professional. Next, we have the quick start guide. Can't go without the quick start guide. Some people just don't like technology, you know? They just wanna read this. They wanna read all about it. That is like a newspaper. Okay, and last but not least, if you are an early buyer, oh, can't forget this. What are these things called again? The little silicone gel things? It reduces moisture so that you don't get moisture on your Wyze cam. But even if you did, it wouldn't matter because this thing is IP53 weatherproof rated. So really, these little silicone beads are just a waste of Wyze resources. And let our packaging team know that. That's probably not true. I'm sure they're very important. Okay, last but not least, if you're an early backer of this product, you will get this beautiful Wyze cam sticker. I'm gonna go put this on my laptop right now. I have a running collection. Do you know what's sad? I had so many of these stickers on my first laptop, but you gotta replace your laptop like every couple years, right? So after like 5 years, I replaced my Wyze work laptop, lost all my stickers. So I'm starting a new collection. I got like 6. This will be number 7. All right, packaging, goodbye. Let's set up the Wyze window cam. From a product standpoint, from a feature standpoint, other than the nylon fastener, the Wyze cam operates fairly similar from your typical Wyze cam. The one big improvement on this camera is the color night vision. In fact, it's color night vision, but it's enhanced, because what happened is we took the aperture, we reduced it down to a 1.0 aperture, and basically just imagine the camera lens like your eyes are just wide open at night, watching out for things. Color night vision is actually much better than a typical Wyze cam, and that's because these are typically facing outside. That's why it's on a window, and outside tends to get dark at night. And so color night vision is super important for a camera that's looking outside all the time. You guys ready to nylon fastener this thing on? If you can peel off a sticky, that's all you need to know how to install this thing. I'm gonna take this little nylon fastener, I'm just gonna place it right on my window. Beautiful, easy as that. I'm gonna take my Wyze window cam, plug it in. Now I'm just going to stick the nylon fastener together. See if I can get it centered just right. Oh, that's pretty good. And it is sticky. It's not like your average nylon fastener. Everyone knows your average nylon fastener. It's not average. This thing is sticky. It's actually a little too sticky. When we were making this thing, we accidentally made it like too sticky. And so we actually had to like dumb it down a little bit to make it less sticky because it was too good. So this is actually the dumbed down version of it, and it's extremely sticky. Okay, so that's on there. I got the very long 10-foot cord, and I'm going to plug it into this plug. And if you wanted to make it look really nice around where your window is, let's just pretend my window was, you know, over here. I'm gonna do that. And we'll do one just to run this cord for fun. Down there, and then down here. All right, doesn't that look nice? Well, you can see through it still, but if you put it on the corner of the window, I should have put it on the corner, and then it would have looked very clean. But that's okay. Okay, there we go. The Wyze window cam set up, ready to go. You got your extra nylon fastener in case you want to put that in another spot. In fact, should we do it? What if we want to move it around? Let's put this in this corner in case we want to move it around. So now you want the center. Okay, let's go over here. Bam, location has been changed. So to set it up, there's a little button underneath. You just tap that.
Ready to connect.
Ready to connect. Now tap, I heard it said ready to connect. Begin setup. You just hold it close by. It'll connect in just a few seconds. Now I'm going to select my network. Blurred so you can't see it and try to hack me.
Wi-Fi connected. Setup complete.
There we go. Our Wi-Fi is connected, and now it will tell you how to set it all up, but we just did that. So we're gonna skip this, skip. Yep, we got this. We just did it all. Name my Wyze cam. This is gonna be called my living room cam. And I will add it to my Cam Unlimited Pro plan because I subscribe to Cam Unlimited Pro, obviously. Skip all that. Set, we're good to go. Now we are loading the live stream. Now we have a very low light over there, but there we go. We got Garrett and Silas. You guys wanna wave real quick? Hey guys. This camera has 24/7 local recording, so you can stick in an SD card in the slot underneath. You can record 24/7, record everything. No subscriptions required. You can handle everything locally and don't need to pay a monthly fee. But if you do want to pay a monthly fee, we have cloud recording, and we also have incredible AI on this camera. So it can detect a person, package, pet. And then if you add Cam Unlimited Pro, you can add descriptive alert, which is my favorite Wyze feature of all time. It will describe exactly what's happening in front of the camera in just incredible detail. It will tell you the model of cars, it'll tell you the type of trucks, it'll tell you just really cool things that are going in front of your house, and you don't even have to open the Wyze app. If you're just poking around the live stream here, again, you have the SD card to record 24/7. You can take a photo, you can record a video, you can make the siren go. Pretty loud siren. Up your album, you can take a time lapse with this camera. All the things you would see on a typical Wyze cam. It'll record your events under here beneath. And then if we get into the advanced settings, of course, you have your normal detection settings like a Wyze Cam OG or a V3 or V4. You can mess with your event recording, turn on or off motion, turn on your smart detection events. If you have a Cam Plus or Cam Unlimited plan on here, you can kind of specify what kind of alerts you want. If you go into the advanced settings, you can turn on or off the status light. You can turn off the timestamp watermark. You can rotate the image 180 if it's upside down. You could turn off the Wyze logo, but you should never do that because the Wyze logo is awesome. You can record sound or turn off sound. That's basically it for the Wyze window cam. It's your pretty awesome version of a standard Wyze cam, but with better night vision and obviously with a beautiful nylon fastener, definitely not a right here in the front. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. We will catch you all on the next one.